In Lexzur, you can define target time durations for different matter workflow statuses, using SLAs, which helps ensure efficient business operations. To get started, enable the SLA feature in the system. Navigate to the Setup and Configuration Settings page, and activate SLA Management from the System Values page. Next, establish the SLA rules within the workflow. Head to the Matter settings and select SLA Management. Create a new SLA by providing a name, specifying the applicable workflow, selecting practice areas, setting target times, and configuring notifications for SLA breaches. You can also define the workflow status for pause counting time and customize the SLA for specific clients if necessary. Once the SLA rules are in place, the system will begin tracking them. To view elapsed time under an SLA for a specific case, open the relevant matter or case. From the Actions menu, choose Show SLA Elapsed Time. This will display a comprehensive list of SLA cycles, including the number of deadlines set, elapsed time, and whether the time frame was met or exceeded. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.